Hi students, let's solve a problem on the chapter 1. This is a 2026 question. So let's try to solve it. So 2 point charges they have given Q1 and Q2 are located at the points. They have given the points for the charges also. Find the electric dipole moment of the system they are asking. Okay, system means two charges together they are asking. So for each charge they have given a separate point. Okay, so find the dipole moment of the system. So this type of problem, first we need to visualize it. How to visualize it is you take our xy coordinate. Okay, in this they are given x, y, z points. So let's take this is z, this is minus z. So if it is, this is q1 is in the minus z. Okay, q1 is in the minus z, which is going to be a positive charge. This is going to be positive, and similarly what, there's going to be exactly opposite, that is plus 15 centimeter. So it's going to be q2. Okay, now this is going to be negative. They have given the values. They're asking dipole moment. So dipole moment direction always is what, it's always from minus q to plus q. Minus q to plus q means what direction? Above to below. This is going to be the dipole moment. So dipole moment, what is the formula? P is equal to q into 2a, correct? So first charge, magnitude of charge is same, which is going to be 2.5 into 10 power minus 7, right? So but what about the distance between them? That is called as generally as 2a. Okay, 2a means always distance between them. So this is the value of 2a, right? So they have given from the origin, it's going to be how much meter? 15 centimeter, right? 15 centimeter means this is 15, this is 15. Totally how much? Totally 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter means 10 power minus 2 centimeter. I converted to meter. So when you multiply all these, we'll get the values as 7.5 into 10 power minus 8. Okay, so this is the magnitude value. But what about the direction? So direction is from above is plus z, below is minus z. That means minus k cap. So with the direction they have asked. Okay, so always you write with the direction. So the direction is going to be minus 10 power minus 8 k cap. So this is going to be our dipole moment value. Okay, now this is clear. Next, what they have asked, second question, magnitude and direction of electric field at origin. They have asked the magnitude as well as direction of electric field. Okay, so how to find the electric field? Let's try to find that. Okay, now the same charges everything, but we need to find the electric field. So electric field, what is the origin? Two charges are here. How much distance? 15 centimeter. So you should be careful with the charges. Okay, so this is going to be minus q and this is going to be plus q, and the in between origin they are asking the field. So what we need to know first, field direction you need to know. So this is a negative charge. So this is the origin, how much centimeter? 15 centimeter, and this also it's going to be what? 15 centimeter. Now this is going to be our origin. No? So at the origin, if you want to find the field, so let's take this as 1, this is going to be 2. So yeah, this is going to be 1. So this is going to be our minus q, this is going to be our plus q. I am going to take the positive one as what? They have given us, this is going to be our 1, this is going to be our 2. So first let's take the q2 minus q charge. So minus q charge always field is will be towards. So towards means what you need to do? This is going to be E2, and similarly this is going to be E1. So but from positive charge, its field is always away, but for negative charge it's always towards the charge. So here it's going to be what? E1. So E2 and E1 are in what direction? Same direction, and it's in the positive z direction. So you need to add both the field at point 2, that is E1 plus E2 you need to do. So now E1, E2 you need to find separately, but the interesting thing is the charge magnitudes are same. Magnitude means the numerical value, and the important thing, the distance between them is going to be 15 centimeter. Okay, so what is the direct result? Both are in same direction and both the values are going to be equal. Okay, so since they are equal, I can put 2e. So what I can put? Kq by r square, field value. And next what should I do? I had given this. Next you substitute the values. K value 9 into 10 power of 9, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. And what is the value of charge? It's going to be magnitude of charge 2.5 into 10 power of minus 7 divided by what you need to do. What is the R value? The R value is going to be, that is, you should not put 30 centimeter. From the charge to this point only we are finding the field. So it should be 15 centimeter. Okay, so 15 centimeter whole square means what you will do? 15 into 10 power of minus 2 whole square you need to put. Yes or no? Now you need to square it up, denominator, and take the power separately and cancel. Okay, the final electric field at the point O will be, it's going to be what? 2 into 10 to the power of 5. Okay, so this is going to be our result. But in exams they will always ask with direction, so they also asked with the direction. Even though if they didn't ask the direction, you try to mention the direction, so it's going to be above, right? So can I say it's the direction is going to be positive x-axis? Okay, positive x-axis is the direction, right? So this is about the problem. So I will meet you in the next problem.